we're off to Hello guys, we just settled here in Villa Blanca. We booked this villa sa Surfside Beach Resort Dahican. And I have my Dubai Chewy cookie with me. Funny thing is that, kanina na ako morning nibalaan nga it's out for delivery. So I texted Kuya Rider na kung pwede ba niya ma-deliver ang ako ang parcel before 10 a.m. Because we left Davao mga 11 a.m. So, good thing pagawas yun ako sa gate guys na nagig si Kuya Rider. Ay 1 month break ko from Dubai Chewy cookie. So this is my relapse moment. Paghay mo sa akong vlog.
Pwede maghingi?
Unfortunately, duhara dyan siya kabuok because I'd never intended guys nga kaunan ako ni Diri sa Mati because I thought next week pa siya maabot. But turns out, niabot siya sa'yo. Actually, kaning nga trip is birthday trip ni siya ni Jo. Diba Jo?
Ambot ko kasi nagtapos.
Emotional ka na. Patilawan ng tamuhawan by Kate.
Simot na.
Sisimot.
Ay, hindi. Tilaw na lang.
This is my Dubai Chewy cookie. So this is from Sweet Creations.
Shout out.
Shout out Sweet Creations. Guys, sila yun ang top 1 ako nga favorite when it comes to Dubai Chewy cookie
Pagpila
from
na siya?
TikTok shop. It's around 250 something for 2.
Barato na
So,
lang siya.
it's so cheap. It looks something like that. So, kauna na nato ni. Tilaw ka? Gusto mo tilaw? Sige ko.
Tungatan.
So, yung ani siya kadako, guys. See how big that is.
Pila na lang.
200 daw.
Pwede
100 po.
siya pipay later. Wala.
Ay, kabalang ay.
Mm.
Dalawa na to. Ay, kaduha pa na ako ni.
Mas lami dyan na. Yan na siya pistachio nuts. Right? No.
Yay!
Mas lami siya, di ba? Di ba? Lami, right?
Ano na yun? Ano na yun?
Di ba? Saan to?
Yeah.
Sige. Ito ta sa Picas room, guys. Patilawan po na to sila. Hi, Kai. Gusto ka matilaw Dubai Chewy cookie? Oh, lami. Tilaw eh. Ano ko sila?
Panos.
Wala char! Hello?
Di, manghatag yung panos.
Gani.
Bi?
Hindi daw.
Ikaw daw nakatubol.
Dakuha, eh.
Ganon, no? Tama rin sa tong upat.
Tama na.
Lami, di ba?
Dito tingi.
Hindi mo. Lamay siya.
Uy, bakla!
Uy, bayot
Hello?
ang libi.
Mabayad ako ang G. siya, pero...
Oh, sige.
Masyang peanut butter.
Ay,
Namo ko yung nuts. Good.
hindi natin siya Gani, bye.
Ang libang.
Ipagsasara tong CR. Bako pa ay.
Lami, no?
Uy, nagbata na guys. Kumalas, Lord. Please lang, Jude.
Hey guys, we're cooking dinner.
Na may silig sa mga lang. Yes. Uy, sorry, babe.
Yan,
Pindot-pindot ng mga ako. Wala ka lalagyan na. Kaya kasi buhat din tayo. Patay na ko, ma'am. Wala, patay na ko. Bye. Huwag ko makapat. Mama, patay na ko! Uy, nakapatay ka na.
Hello guys, it's 2 a.m. tonight and mauna na kong sleep. I'm alone in the room because they're all outside na sila sa sala. They're watching a movie, they're watching Until Dawn and I can't anymore since magsayo pa mi tomorrow morning. So wala pa mi naka-beach. Wala mi gihimo karon, we just rested. Cooked, did banana pudding, played ML, and yeah, watched movie. So guys, you might be wondering why are we here in Mati? Well, actually, this is a friend's trip. It is our friend Jo's birthday. So we're here in Mati to celebrate it, and it is our first time exploring the Hikan. And tomorrow we plan on going to the Hikan Surf Resort, wax surf. That's basically it for tomorrow, and then the next day we are going to Amihan, Breve, to Secluded, and Bawud. For our last day, we plan on going to Darport depending on the weather kasi kanina nag-ulan diriya, so we kind of thought na if mag-ulan gapon siya, we really can't go to Darport. That's basically it, guys. So we traveled earlier at around 11 a.m. ish, and nabot mi og Mati mga 1:30 p.m. So it was a good ride man. Dili man kay siya nga nakalayo gyud, but yeah, they did drove for us also. It's 5 of us, me, Kai, Jo, Abby, and Micah. I'll just update you guys tomorrow morning. I mean later. It's 2 a.m. and I'll wake up at around 5 a.m. because we're gonna leave at 8 a.m. I just need to rest and sleep because it's just late na and I need a good sleep. So mula to siya, guys. So see you tomorrow.
Hello guys, good morning. It's time check 8 a.m. Ang sabot na mo guys, mangmata mi 5 a.m. So we could leave at around 8 a.m. And so here we are. Dugay mo kami nakatulog ng gabi. And dugay jud po kaayo mi ng mata. Let's just, enjoy the day and relax and chill and not pressure ourselves. So, we plan on going sa DSR today and sa wax surf. So, duhara man po na mo ang marag spot na atuanan Jude today. Alam mo guys, kanina, alarm 5. Ibangon ko, gi-off na ko siya. Pagkita na ko sa phone ako, wala 8 na. Pag-gawas ako guys, nakita na ko si Micah ng hugas. Anak dyan ko diretso. Tanan mi tulog. So, ato ko sa room nila, Jo. Oh, siya! Tara ko sa kumo, alas 8 na ako, bangon ko.
Di bangon ko, pagtanan ako, alas 8 na, 8:07.
Yes.
Tilukag na ko eh. Pahala mo din na.
Nakamata, baby.
Nakamata man ta, bes. Nakamata man ta.
Natulog na dyan ako.
Hindi po pa na
Ipili na to natugusan. Diba? So, okay lang. Okay lang siya, guys. Walay malain kay. Pareha man milanan. What can you say, Mai?
Lamig pa matulog, be.
Ano dito? So, ako din nag-ingon ng promotor nga 8 man ako ni Min. Pero 8 ko ni mata. Okay lang na. Kaya
Kabalo,
na.
ang alarm ni Kay Day, alas 8 day.
Ayaw.
Diba? Hype kayo. Tapos karoon paggawa sa siya, alas 6 from day. Di pa ka wake up tayo. Hello? Yung maligo na ko guys. Kay, manglako na mino, nag-andam na midriya. Oh. Like, hello. Oh, diba? Pero siya, laban na ni siya kay, nagnuag na siya guys. Good morning sa ila.
Dito na, lumag kay Wagi.
Saksak? Hello! Hi, say hi to my vlog.
Uy, mali ako napansak.
Tsaka ka bakla. Sige na, oy, maligo na ko.
Mauna ka guys, para makalimot na us. Jo.
You guys, I so love my packing cubes. These are all my LPDs for the entire trip. Hello guys, get ready with me. Hello guys, I'm actually very ready now. But I'm here, laying in bed because they're not ready yet. So we're just gonna wait for them. So for first stop, we're gonna go to Wax Surf, get some coffee, and after that, we're gonna go to Tehican Surf Resort. And this is my makeup. I'll just update you guys later. Bye. So guys, we're now here. Here's the crew. We're taking photos. Hi guys. Our reflector girl. Akong buhok po reflector. Hi guys! Muna lang ginabuhat as of the moment. Taking pictures. BTS. Ang reflector, no? Kapod vlog, be.
Yuhu! Tingin!
Oh, hi! Oh my God! Balik na! Balik! So, mo din siya ang prod.
What are you willing to do by Rihanna?
Yuhu! Dito tingin!
Ang green pa.
It's your rhythm cool and steady. Ready for the journey, we all ready. Sunrise, greet the coconut trees. My heart beats slow like the Caribbean seas. Life so simple yet so sweet. Barefoot vibes dancing to the beat. Cool shade under the mango tree. The elders talk about ancestry. Pass the knowledge, keep it strong. Reggae music make me carry on. Feel the island vibe, so divine. Lift your soul, make the whole.
Tama na! Pag magreklamo si Abby, di mo pag magkatawa kung magreklamo. Ano ba?
Ganyan na siya guys. Magkabuhan.
Napawala.
Madam,
Tulong ka sila.
Nilutong eh.
Isa lang burutan guys na kokay kumain. Tama na. 1/4 lang ako yan. Ako ba di?
Hello guys, a quick update. We got home earlier today, mga 5 p.m. So supposed to be, di ba ningon ko mag-wax surf me? Wala siya na dayon because ito na mag-wax surf kay sirado siya. And then, we went instead na lang sa Alima. Pag ato na sa Alima, closed po siya kaya Thursday lang siya ga-open, Thursday to Sunday. So we went to Brevet, and sirado po siya guys, kay Thursday to Sunday lang sila. I think most of the cafes here in Dahican, kinag-open agad sila every Thursday to Sunday. So mag-change of plans, change of itinerary. So ganina, instead of, roaming around na lang, diretso na lagin mig DSR because we don't wanna waste much time. Very nice kaayo ang beach guys. Today, nasya ko kay there are a lot of people nagaingon nga mura daw kag i-laundry pag maligo ka sa Dahican. But fortunately, ganina, guys, wala dyan siya balud. Like, very calm lang yun ang iyahang dagat. Nagkabalud lang siya mga 4:30 p.m. 5 p.m. lang siya nagbalud. Morning until 4 p.m. Wala gid siya balud, guys. It was sunny at around 1 p.m. Then pagka 4 p.m. yun, medyo nag-cloudy na siya light. But it was okay kaya naka-picture man mi nice pa kaya nakaligo dyan mi sayo and then nakaligo mi nga walay balud. Karon plano na mo is birthday sa lubong na mo si Joe because birthday na niya later 12 a.m. And diba naghimo mi banana pudding yesterday, so we're gonna eat it today and then mag-make matcha because I brought my matcha. And good thing nakapalit kog outside sa Shopee. Nagdala na po isa ka buok. And tomorrow we don't have concrete plans yet because just like today there is redirection, but yeah, still a very good day. Actually ganina gabi jud init guys sa picture na mo. So to na ako nindot nga shot ko okay mo na ni siya. Tama na, let's just enjoy the day. So they're now watching a movie and wala ako nag-watch sa movie because I think horror siya or anything. Hindi ko ganahan. Wala ako dito sa room but I'll go out karon to bond with them. Matcha and pudding.
What am I to say? No, right? I'll just update you. Clip lang some clips. And tomorrow is our last full day. But okay lang. So, wala pa may flight na i-catch or anything. Diba? No need sila. That's all. See you guys later or tomorrow.
They had revived this once, and my friend someone is coming after us.
Ayaw, best ko like
What did you do?
Like, matcha lang siya, guys.
Mong isipin na hindi ka na mahal. One way or another, I wanna get up. I wanna get you.
Lalapon yung personality. Si LBB, tapos matcha, banana pudding.
Actually. Uy, ang sarap!
Guys, nakuha na ko. Guys, sunod lang dun. Wala na mag-ibot ng shot na kayo. Malubas na yung rin siya.
Unlimited banana pudding. Hey y'all, it's time check 9 a.m. and we're about to leave. We're gonna go back to Wax Surf and hope that it's open for today. Finally, we made it to Wax Surf.
Highlands!
This is...
Oh my God, Highlands a lot!
Happy birthday, Jo. Happy birthday, Jo. Happy birthday. Hindi, wala po kita picture. Actually, picture yung Jo.
Period.
Review.
A-mouth siya.
Saan daw?
Pila is guys na.
Mayo ko ba? Butangig sugar, powder sugar. Asi chocolate dira day.
Ano? Happy birthday, man!
Dami pag na powdered sugar day, mula siya got cake.
So, hi guys.
Hey, vlog!
Yoo-hoo!
Yahoo! She did it again. Ano daw? Makakaida, kapkat ka ba?
Dito sa may dagat, oh.
Pila kasi yung vlog ko.
Ano mambak ka? Asa ka mambak, dira? Hello, anong verse, oh? Seek the Lord. Tapos maambak ka diha. Hello.
Luya.
Hago naman.
Luis ah.
Happy birthday, Jo.
Happy birthday sa...
Happy birthday, Mai. Happy birthday, Abby. Happy birthday. Hi, happy birthday lang.
Iya hayo gano batang.
At ako 10K na budget. By Jonas, 2026. Going home. Hello guys, we are getting ready because it's Jo's birthday. There's a Jo.
Sa lapad kayo.
Hamis ni Mugnom Jo.
Lang, ngayon ako cluster, di ka malayan.
Oo, okay lang.
Wait,
Ay,
ang naabot, guys.
Ay, gawas yun ko.
Request na, ano ay exit. Ano sa taas?
Ay, look up.
Shake, shake, shake.
Check di ba isa? Mana ka, Jo?
Yes po.
Kai, mana ka? Ito, kanya-kanya na.
Kevin lang.
1, 2, 3. Kanya-kanya na. Kuya, okay na lang. Patapusan ko rin mo ngayon. Kamay na ako. Dali na. Storage. Kitchen. Gamit na to karon. Ayaw mo po mo pagpahalata, guys. Important things to you. Ulan pa sila. Sarami. Alam na. Wala na nakita. Hindi ako. Oh, talaga. Ayo, asan yung poster? Saan yung drinking. Salad. Salad! Sige, vote na ta. Vote. 1, 2, 3, go. Go. Vote, boy, go. Tito, 1. Oh, Jo.
Bigyan daw. Wala ko makita ang word mo. Hindi, pag pindot ako, abidag ang hinapagdalang ako.
Oy, Jo.
Pa?
Ba?
Sige.
Diyos ko talaga.
Sigdugo na ka, ma'am.
May bago, gidugot eh.
Tsaka red.
Ay, sige, good niya. Picture ko diha. Tanaw, good mo mga bakla. Apa yan? Kita abi, nag-reflect. Iyan. Yan. Lumay.
Thank you, yeah.
Thank you po.